So we're going to be combining the softness and the lyrical part of the belly dancing, the sensuousness, with the passion. It could be, stop it, cut it out, or it could be, please, come to me, but with passion. Another thing that we do in flamenco is the skirts. This is one of the most common. Parallel arms to either side. Remember, lifted chest. We can also do the snake, like a snake skirt, as in this step.